To start off this project, you need to pick your fabric and lay both of the good sides together. Then you're going to cut however long and wide you want your hair scarf to be. So I did mine about 23 inches long. And I eyeballed the width. That will depend on how thick your hair is. Next I took a pencil and I just drew a triangle at the end of the scarf because I wanted my scarf to be pointed at the end. At first I just did it freehand, but then I thought a ruler would probably make more sense. You can see here on my fabric where I drew the triangle. I just did it freehand to what my liking would be. I didn't whip out a protractor or anything. And then you just cut off where you drew the line, and you'll have your pointed piece of fabric. And then it's time to start sewing. I sped this part up because obviously it gets a little bit redundant, but just take your time, go as slow as you need to go. I just used a straight stitch all the way around, using a back stitch where the opening is going to be so that it doesn't come apart. I also used a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Here's the opening that I left. It's about 1 inch wide. Now it's time to turn your hair scarf in right side out by pulling it through that little hole that you made. I did snip off the corners where like the tip of the triangle. That way it can make a better point when you turn it inside out. It is a little bit time consuming. I feel like there has to be an easier way to do this, but I just did it all with my hands. And this is a tip that my grandma taught me, to take a pin, stick it in the tip of the triangle, and pull out the fabric so that it makes the point very precise. As you can see, this is very serious work. Here is that same opening when it is right side out. Now I'm going to go around the outside with a straight stitch and 1/4 inch seam to make it look more professional. Here it is when it's all done. I didn't exactly make this for my toddler, but it does look super cute on her. You can wear it in a ponytail or as a headband.